Here's how to tie the timber hitch knot. Use this knot whenever you need to pull heavy logs because it grips them very well, and the standing end exits right in the direction of the log, so it's very easy to pull. You can also use it to bundle up a bunch of smaller kindling to bring back to your fire. Start by taking the end of the rope and placing it parallel to the log. After that, you need to go around the log. Then go underneath the standing end and underneath itself. And now you need to continue tying around this strand another 2 or 3 times. Tighten it as much as you can and you're pretty much good to go. Here's how to tie a perfect trucker's hitch. Start by taking the end of the rope and creating a bight. Then go underneath the standing end. Put this strand over this one. Then go over, under, and through this last loop. In the end, you should end up with a directional figure of 8 loop. Then take the end of the rope and go through the support, through the loop that you just created, and pull on it as hard as you can. You'll be able to adjust the tension pretty tight because here you have a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. Now pinch these two together so that the tension holds and go around and through itself to create a half hitch. And to fully secure it, do another half hitch. And that's how a finished trucker's hitch should look like. It's called the trucker's hitch because it's usually used to secure loads on trucks, trailers, and car roofs. But because of the mechanical advantage, you can also use it in situations like this, where you need to tension a rope for a hammock, a tent, or something similar. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.